And this one has to do with Rule 222 for RVers. And you might recall the 333 rule. But in this case, what it has to do with is a different type of RV traveling. And that's traveling no more than 200 miles, stopping at least 2 times during those 200 miles, and staying 2 nights. Now, a caveat to that would be arriving by 2 p.m., and that's very similar to the 333 rule, where you arrive to camp by 3 p.m. You just don't want to get there in the dark. The Rule 333 that some of you may have heard about and others don't have any idea. I want to explain to you how important this particular rule is to RVers and how it makes so much sense in making the experience even better and maybe even saving some money. So what is the 333 rule, or Rule 333? It really involves 3 categories. How far do you travel in a day? When do you get to camp? And how long are you going to stay at the camp? So the golden rule here is that you try to stay within 300 miles on a given travel day. Try to arrive by 3 p.m. and try to stay 3 days. And if you can combine that, you're going to have a much better RV experience, and you're probably going to save some money. As it relates to travel costs, and the big secret I think most of us try to achieve, but some of us may not be aware of, and that's how to incorporate a variety of ways of RV travel, including Rule 333 or 222, dispersed camping, harvest host, and RV parks in a way that you can reduce the number one cost in RV travel today, and that's fuel. So the longer you stay in a location, the less fuel obviously you're going to burn because you're not moving around too much, and depending on where you're staying, it could be zero cost to stay at a particular location like dispersed camping, or an RV park cost, and it'll all average out. And we'll see you down the road.